Hello everybody, welcome again to our channel. For those who are new here, I am Ella. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. So guys, for today, I am going to do a review for my new clutch bag. I got this guys at Rose Dress for Less 2 weeks ago. This bag is very affordable and elegant. It is really good for special occasions like evening party, dinner date, and even on wedding party. So let's take a look inside. It has also a strap. This is a side pocket. It is a petite bag but is very spacious inside, divided into 2 compartments. This is the middle pocket for your coins, something like that. And on the other side, it has also a side pocket. This is really good. Simple and elegant clutch purse. So let's try to put this strap. But for me, I am more like to use this clutch purse without a strap. It is very handy. But let's put this strap anyway. So that's it guys, this is how it looks with a strap. I don't know how long this strap is, but it's really good also. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. So see you next on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.